Now let us see about the grains. About the grains. Okay, grains nowadays, grains are very important. Okay, we have to take in our food the grains. In the place of rice, we can introduce the grains. Okay, then the first one is udat urad. Okay, udat urad means black gram. Black gram. Okay, then the second one is chana. Chana means gram. We are having the chana dal. Okay, chana masala. Chana masala. It is very effective. It gives more protein. Okay, it gives more protein. While using the grains, we have to sprout the grains. Then only we can get more energy. Okay, more energy. Then the third one is gehu. Gehu means wheat, not wheat powder. It is simply wheat. That is gehu. Gehu means wheat. Then the fourth one is matar. Matar means peas. Okay, matar means peas. In the peas we are having two types. Only yellow color, and the another one is green one. Okay, green peas. Okay, green peas and yellow peas. Then the fifth one is jai. Jai means oats. Jai means oat. For the diabetes person, they can take oats as breakfast. Okay, oats as breakfast. Then the sixth one is zwar. Zwar means great millet. Zwar means great millet. Then the seventh one is dan. Dan means paddy. Dan means paddy. Then eighth one is bajra. Bajra means pure millet. Pure millet. We can call it in Tamil as kambu. Okay, in Tamil we can call it as kambu. Then the ninth one is makka. Okay, makka means maize. Makka means maize. Then the 10th one is moong. Moong means green gram. Moong dal. Okay, moong dal. This is also very effective. Okay, green gram is very effective. While sprouting this green gram, we get more energy. Okay, in the morning time, we can take this as a breakfast also, green gram. Okay, it gives more energy to all. Okay, while those who are having the bone problem, we can take this green gram. Okay, these are all the names. Once again, udat urad means black gram. Then chana means gram. Then gehu wheat. The next one is matar peas. Then jai means oats. Then zwar. Zwar means great millet. Then dan means paddy. Bajra means pure millet. Then makka means maize. Then moong means green gram. In this videos, we know the fruits names, vegetables names and grains. Okay, these are all very important for our food habit. We can take the necessary steps to improve our energy. We have, for the good health, we have to take this in the right respective time. Okay.